Our tale begins in the primordial void, Ginnungagap, where the icy winds of Niflheim and the fiery embrace of Muspelheim collided. Out of this cosmic dance emerged Ymir, the progenitor of the frost giants, and Audhumla, the cosmic cow. As Ymir slept, the sweat from his body birthed the first frost giants. Meanwhile, Audhumla nourished herself by licking the salty ice, revealing Buri, the first of the Aesir, the divine tribe of gods. From the loins of Buri came Bor, who in turn wedded the giantess Bestla. Their offspring were Odin, Vili, and Ve, gods destined to shape the destiny of the cosmos. The triumvirate of Odin, Vili, and Ve faced Ymir, the primeval giant, in a cosmic struggle. In the throes of this epic battle, Ymir fell, and from his colossal frame the world was crafted. Cradled within the lifeblood of Ymir, the seas were born, his flesh became the earth, and his bones transformed into the towering mountains. His skull, an arched dome, became the heavens, held aloft by 4 mighty dwarves. Odin and his brothers, in their divine wisdom, shaped the world, placing the radiant realm of Asgard high above, connected to the mortal realm of Midgard by the celestial bridge Bifrost. And so the cosmic tree Yggdrasil, with roots in the primordial realms, grew to bind the worlds together. Its branches cradled the 9 realms, each with its own wonders, mysteries, and inhabitants. In the cosmic aftermath, the blood of Ymir that flowed as rivers birthed the race of men, while the sparks from Muspelheim gave life to the fiery realm of the dwarves. As the divine architects, Odin and his brothers bestowed consciousness upon the first man and woman, Ask and Embla. From them, the lineage of humanity blossomed across Midgard, the realm of mortals. Yet the cosmos held more than just the mortal realm. In the depths of the seas, the realm of Njord and the Vanir flourished. These deities, associated with prosperity and fertility, engaged in a truce with the Aesir, forging a delicate balance in the divine order. Odin, the Allfather, sought knowledge and wisdom with an insatiable thirst. To gain this enlightenment, he sacrificed an eye at the Well of Urd, where the Norns, ancient seers, wove the threads of fate. The Norns, beings of destiny, spun the intricate web of past, present, and future, shaping the course of existence. As the realms unfolded, conflicts arose. Loki, a shapeshifter among the Aesir, sowed discord and chaos. His cunning schemes tested the bonds of kinship and trust among the gods. Loki's alliance with the frost giants bore monstrous fruit, including the colossal wolf Fenrir and the serpent Jormungandr. Their fates intertwined with the impending twilight of the gods' Ragnarok. The cosmic clock ticked on, and the prophecies foretold a day when gods and giants would clash in a cataclysmic battle, reshaping the worlds anew. The gods, aware of the impending doom, gathered their strength. Odin, the wise and one-eyed, consulted the Norns to understand the tapestry of fate that unraveled before them. Battle lines were drawn, and the clash of divine and monstrous forces reverberated through the realms. The Valkyries, shield maidens of Odin, soared across the heavens, choosing the bravest warriors from the mortal realm to join the gods in the final battle. The great hall of Valhalla awaited those destined to fight alongside the Aesir. In the midst of chaos, the fire giant Surt brandished his flaming sword, engulfing the worlds in an inferno. The earth quaked as the forces of good and evil collided in an epic struggle for survival. Odin, knowing the outcome but valiantly facing destiny, rode forth with his sons and allies. The clash unfolded with unparalleled fury, gods against giants, brothers against brothers, and the very elements themselves caught in the maelstrom. Amidst the chaos, a poignant truth emerged, the inevitability of cycles, of endings and beginnings. For as the gods fell, so too did new life stir within the charred remains of the old world. The cosmic dust settled, and from the ashes arose a new realm, reborn and vibrant. The surviving gods, Vidar and Vali among them, convened. From the renewed landscape a pair emerged, Leif and Lifthrasir, the progenitors of a new human race.